In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a free VPN on your Windows computer or laptop. So first thing we need to do is go and open up the Start menu, go and search for Settings and click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, click on Network and Internet, and then select VPN. Next to VPN connections, we need to click on Add VPN, and now we need to go and enter the VPN information. Now, to use a free VPN, we can open up an internet browser. You can then type in VPN book and press enter. Click on this top website, which is vpnbook.com. You can then click on Free VPN in the top navigation. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see all of these different VPNs and you'll see the country next to each of them. So you have some of these located in the US and others in the UK as well. Now, all you need to do is copy the address of the VPN that you want to use. So I'm going to right click on this one and press copy. You can then head back over to this settings window and then you can give your connection a name. So I'm just going to call this VPN free. You then need to paste in the address that we just copied. You can then click on Save at the bottom of this page. Now you'll see your VPN from this list. Go and click on Connect. And then you'll need to enter the username and password. Now this can be found on the internet browser, and you'll see at the bottom we have this username and also password as well. So you'll just need to go and enter that into the fields here, and that's how to use a free VPN on your Windows computer.